Yo, you niggas that don't get no cheeks, no play, no nothing, no intimacy, y'all be out there going crazy. Y'all be stressed out. And like, woman, y'all need to do a little extra, you know what I'm saying, before your man leave the house. If you know he the type of person that like, he can't, like, especially if you have a little body, like all that stressed up is in a little body, and like, he can't hold it, or he can't go without, or like, you know, some men could be celibate and they have self-control and everything. Like, some men is like, they build up, like, it's the stress hormones just build up. And he's just out there like, just winging it, and he's just on road rage and all that. Like, that's why like all the accidents be happening, because my nigga didn't get no play last night. Shit crazy.